me about your love life. How did you meet your wife?
Okay. Si Timmy ho, my wife, my girlfriend for 7 years, no? Bago kami kinasal. 6 years bago kami kinasal. And we met sa National Youth Commission. I was chairman of the NYC from 2003 to 2006. And she was a delegate of one of our exchange programs. Yung very prestigious Ship for Southeast Asia Youth Program. Siya po yung NCR delegate. Doon ko po siya nakilala. That's about 2004. And then, hindi ko siya niligawan nun. Kasi iba yung... attached kami to different people nung panahong yon. But the year later, nung nag-volunteer po siya para mag-staff dun sa next batch ng mga delegates ng programa, yun po yung panahon na palis na rin ako sa National Youth Commission. So, doon ko po siya niligawan. And that's 2005, by the way. December of 2005. And from then until now, we've been together, no?
And your wife?
And my wife? Sabi nga niya, pinaka-importante nangyari sa NYC.
Yes.
And alam niyo po, if that challenge, talagang nasubok ko tayo dyan eh. And for the next 7 years, we would work in poor communities, we would work with microfinance institutions, with NGOs. Doon po tayo na-expose sa mga paraan na talagang gumanda yung buhay ng mga kababayan natin. And our program, Happy Noy, through the years, nakukuha na rin po ng awards mula sa United Nations, World Economic Forum, so on and so forth, no?
When did the realization come to you na this is the woman that I want to be the mother of my children and to live with me until I, get old and gray?
There was a time ho kasi na she lived abroad eh. Nagtrabaho siya sa Shanghai for a year.
Okay.
And
girlfriend mo na siya noon?
Oo naman. This is just a few years ago.
Okay.
And malaking ano ho yun eh. Malaking test yun sa isang couple, di ba? Na yung isa aalis. Although, very specific naman yung panahon niya na mawawala siya. 1 taon talaga.
1 taon.
Siyempre, talagang masusubok talaga kayo kasi aalis yung isa, magkaka-long distance relationship kayo. Nung panahong yun, doon ko talaga naisip na this is it, di ba?
That she's the one.
She's the one. Kaya nung umuwi po for Christmas, talagang sinamantala ko na yung oras, doon ako nag-propose.
What was it in her that that made you realize that she was the one?
First of all, talagang magaling siya. She's an achiever. She does really well. She's very kind and sweet to me, at least, no? And sa kanya po, nakikita ko talaga really good partnership, no? Not just, kumbaga, nag-transcend na kami from parang, we're still quite romantic. And,
really?
And to be honest, kahit 7 years na, it doesn't feel like it's a 7-year relationship. We're still very much in love with each other, kung tutuusin. But aside from that, no, nakikita ko rin sa kanya na yung mga gusto ko rin gawin para sa bayan, the hopes and dreams I have for our people, nakikita niya na hopes and dreams na yun, no? That as much as I am nationalistic, she is also as nationalistic. Iba lang yung field namin. Iba lang yung ginagawa niya, iba yung ginagawa ko. Pero pagdating sa mga gustong gawin para sa bayan, palagi ko po, magkatono kami dyan. Kasi that's already, beyond na yan yung, yung purely romantic. Although we're still quite romantic and we're still quite sweet. But nakakita ka talaga ng somebody who you can really build your life with, and yung mga pangarap mo hindi lang para sa iyong pamilya kundi para sa ibang tao, ano ho kami dyan, talagang magkatono po kami dyan.
Wow, I'm glad to hear that, huh? Kasi I've always said, you really need a woman to be able to do what you want. You know what I'm saying?
To bring out the best in you.
Yes, you really
I agree.
need a woman. Talagang kailangan meron nun.
Sana nanonood siya. I agree.